today for my training, my practice training, showing me how to break down a gun, how to clean a gun, the different components of a gun, showing me the fundamentals of being a shooter, shooting at the range. This was an experience, very intense. I had no idea that it would be this intense, but it was well worth it. It was truly an experience, worth every penny. You're a great instructor, and I will be back again to get my skills up so that, you know, if I'm ever in that situation, I can respond like a pro. Thank you so much, and I will definitely recommend this guy. He is awesome. Thank you so much.